How to fix Honor x7c screen won't turn on. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. So long press on power button, and from here you can see option restart. So simply click on restart. So mobile will be restart, and after that, if doesn't your problem solved, then open settings app and go down, select system and updates, and from here you can see option reset. Click on this, and here you can see on the top reset all settings. Click on this, and from here you can see reset all settings. So we will click on reset all settings, then settings will be reset. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.